Greetings, fellow travelers and storytellers. Welcome to Arthadian Anthologies, where we dive into a new expanding universe where life does not end at death. It's been a couple months since I last updated you all on what's happening in the anthologies. And let me just say, it is a lot. So without further ado, let's dive in, shall we? First up, I would like to prepare you all for an increase in the podcast episodes being released throughout the week. With storylines picking up and Chosen reaching higher tiers, there is a lot to be revealed. Here is how the schedule will look for the next 5 weeks or so. Tuesdays will be bi-weekly switching off between Fragments Reborn, which is a series following Marmaduke 9, and then the New Age campaign, which is obviously the main campaign. And currently, Marmaduke 9 is not inside the campaign, so that is why there is a new series going on with him, so that it can kind of tie into what is going on between the two. And those will be coming out same time, as usual, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, bi-weekly. Wednesdays is going to be the Doctor series, back on track with entry 24 starting out, and there's going to be a huge pickup with this one because, well, the Doctor has reached level 9, and it's going to be basically the final main arc of this series, and we will see if he dies or not, or whoever dies. Someone might die. We will see. We'll see what happens. Thursday is going to be the Foundation series until it finally wraps up. That will be coming out at 6 p.m. Same with the Doctor. All of these are coming out at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. These are going to be coming out weekly, on a weekly basis. And then we have on Fridays. Fridays is our new day, the Guardian series, which will be releasing on August 25th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time weekly. This is going to be a 20-entry series and will follow the Nameless Blade and the Guardians of Votonic. So, with that is the podcast scheduling out of the way. Now, on to the next portion of this announcement. Life and work. So, there have been a few things happening in my life that are pulling me away from Arthadian Anthologies. My current position at my job will no longer be here by the end of August, so I'm job hunting. This means my schedule may get a bit screwy at times because I can't record specific sessions that might end up needing to be put up, and then also I won't have enough time to work on the Reborn in Power content that I would like to. Thankfully, I spent most of 2022 recording content, so the podcast won't be lost. It's just the other projects that I'm working on in the background are even more on the back burner now with work and me finding my footing in whatever is going to happen to me. I also plan on moving out before the end of 2023, which will be another major change for me. But even with all the changes, the Arthadian Anthologies will still be going strong with about 4 other Reborn in Power series that have yet to be released. So get ready for those. And just so you know, Fragments Reborn, that is going to be one of... You're going to want to listen to those. Those are actually going to be posted over on Matt Waterhouse's channel on YouTube, which is Drunk Wordsmith. It's posted there mainly because he doesn't have as much YouTube content, and I actually wanted to do faces for this one, so me and Matt Waterhouse are on there. So we did Zoom calls for this one and recorded it, and it's all on the YouTube channel, so you can go check that out over at Drunk Wordsmith. And let's see what else is on the docket. Oh, the Guardian series. Here, let me just give you a little rundown of this little series. It's a new Guardian has been chosen. She is nameless, yet her blade is ready to face the void in all of its darkness. Join the Nameless Blade in her mission to stop the inner flame and learn how deep the problems plaguing the core has reached. In this series, you will get to witness a lot of deep things that have been hidden under the surface of the plot line of the New Age campaign, and you also get to hear the Guardian featured inside the Doctor series as well. So prepare for that. And with that out of the way, I think we are done here. But thank you all for listening and supporting Arthadian anthologies as much as you have. I really appreciate all the support that you have been showing this podcast. Please like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends who are looking for new ways to entertain themselves and immerse themselves. And you guys all know it. If death comes to you, may you be reborn in power.